Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So, Santa was at my house early this year. Yes, sir. Actually, it was the postman. So, either way, same difference, right? So I got a package from Hobby Nut Models today. So I thought I'd show you guys a little stash ad. Other than that, got a few things from Wally World, from the old Wally Mart. Wife's been out doing Christmas shopping, so she picked up a few kits here and there. She'd call me on the phone and she'd be like, "Hey, I got you, they got these kits here. Would you want this one, want this one?" And I thought, I had to stop and think about it sometimes. I'm like, man, do I have that one already? So, but we've been doing pretty good. No doubles yet. So that's okay. So, other than that, I wanted to wish everybody a very, very Merry Christmas, you guys. Hope you guys spend some great time with your families. And, family's important. So, get everybody together and have a good time. And remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. So, yes, wasn't for him, we wouldn't be having Christmas, right? So, Jesus' birthday, so gotta love it. Other than that, I hope you guys get everything you've always wanted and desired. If not, there's always next year. So, hopefully you get all those model kits you want and sniff all that glue all week long while you're off from work. So, it should be a good time either way. But anyways, I thought I'd show you a few stash ads we got here, and all that fun stuff. So we've been doing a little bit of work in the shop out here. It's been busy, just because of the Christmas season. Yeah, so it's been pretty epic. Other than that, I've been working on the 90 Cougar, the XR7, the black one I painted. That turned out really, really cool. So trying to get that done. I got looking and I thought, I really didn't do a lot of builds this year, so kind of slacking. We're slacking, but we had a lot going on. There's a lot of things that happened over the year, so there's next year. Next year's coming up. So I've been putting a 3D printer to work. I've been doing some work on there, and I'll show you some stuff we got going on with that. A future build coming up here real soon. So first off, I'll show you some stash ads. So we'll jump right in. We got a few from Walmart, and like I say, some from some Hobby Nut Models. Right, buddy? So this was a cool cup. Wife, like I say, we're out Christmas shopping and seen this guy sitting on the shelf, and I thought, oh, that is so cool looking. It came with hot chocolate and stuff, but we changed flavors in it, and we got the old coffee in there. So welcome to the family, bud. Good stuff. Anyways, let's see. We got, first off, we have a Oldsmobile Cutlass 64 vintage by AMT. So like I say, Walmart has their kits, and she'd like I say, message me and try to find out what I would like and pick up whatnot. So awesome that she does that. I really appreciate it. I think it's really cool. I thought this was kind of a neat car. I saw a guy a while back at a model show, and he did this car in the normal version, but I believe he made it into a Hearst Old. So I thought, that is really cool looking. Very cool. So I thought that'd kind of be a unique build. So we got that guy there. Got a couple funny cars. I haven't done funny cars in forever, and I'm starting to get quite a collection of them here. I figured, hey, probably should get on some of those. Like I say, she picked these up for me. So this is Shirley McDowley. If I'm saying that right, I probably botch it up because that's how things go with me. This is the MPC old school version. This is the Funny Car series. I try to keep this down to keep the glare off the camera for you. Obviously, round 2 product. Same as the others. Got the road map on the back. I just thought this looked like a pretty cool car. She asked me if I'm interested in that, and I thought, hey, why not? We'll throw that in there and see what we can do with it. So, another cool one there. Another one picked up, another funny car, and I know a lot of you guys have this kit. This kit's been out for a long time. The Mach 1. Did it? I believe it did. So, very nice kit. This one's kind of cool because it comes with the different nose inserts. Yes, up top there. Check out that green Mach 1 in there. Isn't that cool looking? I love green. Look, green painted cars. Light metallic, dark metallic. I love green. I think it's cool. That's just me. Not like John Deere green. That's just kind of, that's just plain green. That's a different story altogether. So a very cool kit by AMT there. So last kit we got from Walmart was the AMT Green Hornet. Yes, this is the all-new tooling one. Very cool car. I do have the 132nd one sitting on a shelf up there, but the hands just don't work like they used to. So yeah, so I got to stick with the more larger scale these days. It's just how it goes. But I thought, you know, this would be super cool to do this one. So you get the two figures in there. Very neat. So I thought that'd be kind of a cool looking build. You get detailed Kato and the Green Hornet figures. Yes. Very nice. So, you know, it's funny looking at the box art. Whatever that is hanging down in the back, it almost looks like a leg hanging down there, doesn't it? Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so moving on to the Hobby Nut model ads. So first off, I have a couple bottles of thinner. This is the Mr.Color, Mr. Hobby Rapid Thinner. We got the 400 bottles here, the big guys. I tell you what, I love my leveling thinner yet. Yes, that's the Unicorn Tears. This is more, I don't know what else you'd go past Unicorn Tears. More exotic animal of some sort of mystic creature. This is maybe like Godzilla Tears. I'm not sure, but yeah, very, very good stuff. I had a comment a while back, a long time ago. I had problems with one. It was separating, the body line paint was separating quite a bit from the leveling thinner because it levels out, obviously, so it lets it walk away, especially metallics. And I thought about using my regular thinner to slow it down a little bit. And a guy mentioned, why don't you use the rapid thinner? And I thought, you know, that's a good idea. Maybe I'll give it a try. But I thought maybe it'd be too dry. I wasn't sure. So I give it a try. Game changer. I love it. Give it a try, guys. It works really, really good. It does level out nice. Not as nice as leveling thinner. But for those metallics and deep panel lines, that's your stuff. So thank you for that comment. Whoever put that on a while back. It was quite a few videos back. But yeah, it works really good. Love it. So next one we got is a Mobius Model King, the Comet 65 Mercury Comet AFX car. Very cool. I believe this is a new release. Very nice looking build. I definitely think I would build it like the box art. I think that looks very sharp in the white. I'm assuming with that type of decal. So very cool. We got the 427 single overhead cam engine. You guys will watch the videos on that. It's kind of a cool motor. That motor didn't get it was so cool. I mean, it didn't get the fame like it wanted to, just because they kind of outlawed it there for a while at NASCAR. Very neat. So last items we got here from Hobby Nut. Long awaited. The 72 Ford F350 4x4 tow truck by Mobius. Yes. I've been waiting for this guy for a long time. I know a lot of you guys have. I've seen a few channels out there been building this, so they've been hitting the shelves near you. And this box is huge. So just to give you an idea, grab Mr. Mach 1 here and do a little comparison. So check that out. Look how big that box is. So I can hold this up for you here. So it's pretty good sized package. You know, this way here it's about the same, but it's a tall box. There's a lot of goodies in there. So yeah, so like I said, I've got these down at Hobby Nut Models. So you know, I saw he had a couple of them there, so I had to be that guy, and I had to pick up 2 of them. So hopefully he's got some left down there if you guys are getting some. Yeah, I'm sorry I was that guy and I grabbed 2 of them because I've been wanting these for a while, and I know they're going to go out quick everywhere. So had to jump on it while we can. Guys, go down and check out Hobby Nut Models and see if he's got these kits left. I know a lot of stuff's been going really, really fast just because of the holidays, and he is running that holiday sale to the end of the year. So jump on that. I know he had a bunch of stuff down there. So if he doesn't have it, send a request and he can email you when these items do come back in stock. So, but like I said, I know a lot of things were going pretty quick just because of that. So I know Mobius has the license now for Chevrolets. I believe they're going to start doing the Chevy trucks is what I understand, coming out soon. But I really love this body style truck. I really wish I'd get on to like a mid-70s. That'd be awesome. That'd be really cool to see him come out with something like that. One step at a time, right? One step at a time. So speaking of that, I've been putting the 3D printer to some major work lately. It's in the house working right now. And I picked up a few print files, and I've been working on a 78 F-150 short bed truck. I might get the long box yet, I'm not sure, but I've really never built a full complete resin kit. So yeah, so what we did, we printed that off, and this is the cab. So check that out. That turned out really nice. I've not done anything with this other than just take the supports out. So it turned out really clean, really nice looking. It's got just a little bit of weird angling right here. I'm not sure if that was from my angle. I put out a little line here. It's kind of on both sides, so I think it might have been from when I had it in from the print. But easy fix, a little sanding, it'll take that right off there. But super smooth, super clean. This is a resin print. So yeah, so like I said, just clean the supports off it, and that's it. So I also bought the another truck file because I don't want the grill out of the 78 in it. I want the 76, 77 grill. And to me, this is my most favorite grill on a Ford truck. I know there's a lot of grills out there. They're all cool looking, but for me, this is my coolest one. I know a lot of guys, oh, 73, 70. I mean, yeah, I get it. There's a lot of cool ones out there. But for me, this is my favorite. So I picked up the other model they had on there, the other kit that you could get, and I got it just for the grill. But that wasn't a pickup that they were selling. It was more like the suburban type passenger big hauler. But I can't remember if it was 76, 77, but it had the grill I wanted. And thankfully they all fit together. So check that out. Nothing says mean like that bad boy. Isn't that cool looking? It's see-through. Awesome. It prints out very well. This is a 1/25th scale. I'll put a link in the description below for this. But yeah, so I got the box and printing right now for this. And the cool thing about this print is it comes different ways, the cab does. So when you get this, you can either get it to where this is a section and you print this half and then this half, or you get it this way, or you can print it with the hood. So it's really neat. The files are really cool because you just click on whatever scale you want. It gives you print file for every scale from like 1/8 to, I mean, you can print in pretty good size. So this is like, say, 1/25th and all that fun stuff. So I saw somebody on Facebook. I don't know the name on it. I'm not prepared. I don't have notes. Anyways, they did a model on the Boonie Boss. I had that kit up there, AMT, and like I say, that's got the grill in it, and he did that truck in a nice blue little lift on it. Oh, beautiful looking. So he beat me to it, but this is gonna be a short box, and that's what this is gonna be. So I just don't know the color I'm gonna do on it yet, because the other thing this has actually a little chrome line down here that goes around the bodywork there, so really cool. So yes, looking forward to this and getting that done. Like I say, we'll get it mixed up with some of our unicorn tiers here, or Godzilla tiers. I'm not sure. Like I say, guys, try this stuff out. This stuff works really good. It mixes just like the leavening thinner. It's 50-50, 1-to-1, half and half, however you want to say it. A little this, a little that. I don't know. But really cool stuff. So I'll be giving this a try on this kit. And a few other things we've been printing. I'm kind of running on my Ford decals when I give shop cards out. I got a handful left, but I'd like to keep a few of them. Like I said, I've been giving those away left to right as also. I've been printing off little channel chips. I'm not sure 100% what I'm doing with them yet, but I'll give these out to some next few shop cards or whatever. They're little chips. I made them off on Tinkercad. Just printed off some, and I painted one here. So I got this one here. So kind of cool looking. They're smooth on the back. Like I said, it's raised lettering, so kind of neat. I want to try to get working on my print files and make it to where it's just an outline and have just a square edge here. I'm working on it. I got to figure that out yet, so in time. So other than that, guys, that's all we got. That's what we got going on and all that fun stuff. So I think that's it. So other than that, once again, you guys have a very Merry Christmas and all that fun stuff. And we will see you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one, and thanks for watching.